3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Sense of Charming LED Persona and Light exhibitions. Charming LED has been committed to the global entertainment lighting LED technology invention and service. In 2003, the world's first to bring the LED display into the entertainment field, and to continue the industry turn, has developed into Chinese entertainment, bring the first brand of LED customer certification, has opened nearly 100 panels and overturned 150 countries certification. For this exhibition's additive, we are preparing A-Manner's Sense LED application solutions, as well as the value of LED special shape product elements design also. And we are the king of the LED difference custom technicians to provide more accurate service and solution to the world. Now let's take a look at our 8 scenarios of comprehensive solution delivery in the world project. We work together to create a win-win situation. Let's join hands with global elite and illuminate the world. Today is very rich. We are not just at the exhibition seat. We will take you to visit our exhibition hall and our R&D working shop and the production line. Let you know more about the charming LED. Next, let me start today's wonderful journey.
screen showroom. Let's start show.
This is our LED screen showroom. The front is our indoor display. As we know, the LED are easily bad. We can think about what happens if a football impacts the screen. 1. The screen is totally broken. 2. Still not light. But we have one is good after impact. Because we use GCB craft, the surface of the screen is moisture-proof, anti-collision, anti-scratch. This is our LED dance floor, can be used in full outdoor, and waterproof level reach IP65, can stand 500 kg per square meter. Support a car is okay. It's very popular for rental club hotel. My back is transparent and normal LED display to show the magical 3D effect. Transparent LED displays are used in outdoor building advertising club. The permeability is over 55%. The brightness can reach 7,000 candela per square meter. Yes, this is our outdoor display. It's used for outdoor advertising. Waterproof level is IP66. Now we arrive in our screen assembly and aging workshop. After series of production process, now start to assemble the cabinet. After taking the test agent of LED model for 24 hours and finish assembly, the entire LED display will test agent for 72 hours. Focus on details and quality materials and structure test. Pursue excellent craft. This is why Xiaomi LED have developed over 18 years.
I'm Katrina. Welcome to the Trauma SMT workshop. It was funded in 2003. We upgrade the state automated production line to real-time intelligence and automation. High assembly density, high reliability, cost reduction, facilitate automated production. Let me show you SMT.
This is on-board machine. The PCB is placed in the rack and automatically sent to the automatic printing machine. Solder paste printing. Deploy solder paste onto the pack on the circuit board. We use fully automatic printing machine. High efficiency, stable quality, low active. Placement machine. This is an IC program edited by the right place component in the designated part positions. Its characteristic, it has high placement accuracy and fast speed. We use fully automatic machine. So cool, right? This is capacitor. You can see that it is pretty automated. Here is inductor accelerator. It is characterized by precision, high degree, diversity, comprehensively strong function. I mean, so cool. This is the fixed lamp base to the part. Okay, please come to the last step of our production. We will make the solder paste and the parts complete the soldering action. This is our test workshop. Check and confirm the PCB after reflow soldering. Check whether these are qualified.
Hello, this is Jeanette. Some friends know me before. Welcome to our lighting showroom. Here's some certificates we got. We have ISO, CE, BIS, CB, and nearly 100 patents like appearance design, our utility model, etc. I think they have solved some problems for you, is it? Now let's follow us to see what's inside. Coming to this way, Charming is the general agent of Matrix in China. For more information, welcome to contact me or your sales manager. I'm waiting for you in last place. See you soon. Hi, you see we meet again. Here's our laboratory. Now let me show you what we have here. All of our LED must go through all these tests before they strip out. Then the one near me is the integrating board tester. It can test the light color and the distribution of light intensity of LED. Now they're testing. Then the second one is the optical and electrical fast meters for LED. It will tell you the electrical parameter like power, current, and voltage. Then the third one is LED baking machine. It will driving baking the treatment to control humidity range to extend the lifespan. Then this one, the UV weathering test box. It also needs ultraviolet aging test box. It will create the natural radiation ultraviolet light. Our LED will test inside. Then come to this big one. It's the temperature and humidity chamber. You know, our clients come from all over the world. Some of them in Russia, the temperature will be -20, and some of them come from Middle East. It reach 50 degrees. How can we know if our products will work in such temperature? So he's our helper to know it. After a lot of times testing, don't worry, the result is our LED will work well from -20 to 50 degrees. So here's our laboratory. Let's come to our SMT workshop. Here's our automatic glue filling machine. We have a lot of facade projects, so this machine is necessary. It will improve efficiency and save much time. Before, it takes 10 seconds to finish one tube when by manual. Now, 5 tubes will be done at the same time. When glue covers the LED tube, it will make the tube waterproof at IP65. Here our workshop for lighting. After they finish glue, they will come here for assembly, testing and aging there. We will make sure all products are perfect when they ship out. Thank you and see you.